In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PPTX file. First, make sure you have your PowerPoint presentation open on your computer. This can be a new presentation you've just created, or an existing one you've been editing. Before you change the file type, double-check that everything in your slides looks the way you want: your text, images, charts, and animations. Saving as a PPTX file will preserve all of these elements, so it's best to do a quick review now. Next, look towards the top left corner of the PowerPoint window and click on File. This will open the File menu, sometimes called the Backstage view. From here, you'll see several options like New, Open, Save, and Save As. The option we want is Save As, because this allows you to control both the file name and the file format. Once you click Save As, a new window or panel will appear where you can choose the location to save your presentation. Select a folder on your computer or cloud storage where you'll be able to find the file easily later. It's a good idea to pick a clear, descriptive file name, especially if you have multiple versions of the same presentation. For example, you might include the date or version number in the name. Now, look for the option that lets you choose the file type or file format. This is usually a drop-down menu labeled something like Save as Type or File Format. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of different formats PowerPoint can use. Scroll through the list and select PowerPoint Presentation with the .ptx extension. This is the modern PowerPoint format that works best with current versions of the software and keeps your content fully editable. After you've chosen the .ptx format, confirm that the folder location and file name are correct, and then click Save. PowerPoint will now save a copy of your presentation as a PPTX file. If your file was in an older format before, you'll now have a new, updated version that's more compatible with newer features. To verify everything worked, you can close the file, navigate to the folder where you saved it, and check that the file extension ends with PPTX. Then open it again to make sure it looks exactly as you expect. That's all you need.